To connect Looker Studio to MySQL, follow these steps. Prepare MySQL database. Ensure your MySQL server is accessible from the internet with a public IP address or accessible via a VPN. Make sure you have the correct database username, password, host address, and the port number. Set up MySQL user permissions. Ensure the MySQL user you are using has the necessary permissions to connect remotely. Read the database and execute queries. Run a command like the following. Connect Looker Studio to MySQL. Open Looker Studio. In the home screen, click Create Data Source. Scroll down to find and select the MySQL connector. In the MySQL connection setup screen, enter the following details. Host, your MySQL server IP. Port, usually 3306. Database, the name of the database you want to query. Username and password, your MySQL user credentials. Configure the connection. Test the connection and select the desired table or query. Once connected, you can now use MySQL data in your Looker Studio reports.